It's a Fairer Exmoor 2. It's my first kind of real step into horology, so it's making me happy getting into this exciting hobby.
Awesome. What else do you have in mind to maybe get, or what else are you looking at?
Probably looking to get some kind of proper dive watch next, so something for the summer. So excited now, just kind of looking into that.
Today we're wearing the Rolex Submariner date from 1989. It was gifted to me by my dad for my 18th birthday. It was his 18th birthday. Obviously a lot of emotional value attached to it. I don't like the bracelet on it because it makes a lot of noise, so I have it on a Baltic strap. But yeah, you can't go wrong with it. You can beat it up as long as you want. Always looks good. The event is very nice. A lot of brands that I haven't bumped into earlier before, so a lot of novelty in the watch space as always. Yeah. Any favorites? I was talking to the guys from Watch Gecko before. I didn't know them before, but they're really cool. And the ones next to them as well, Browser, they're my favorites so far. But we have all this section to go through as well, so we'll see.
On the wrist is the Omega Moonswatch Speedmaster, and it makes me happy because it's the first watch I ever bought with my own money back when it first came out.
The watch I got on my wrist is currently a Tag Heuer Formula 1 Kimi Räikkönen chronograph, and it makes me happy because it's my dad's watch and he gave it to me.
Fantastic. How long have you had it for?
6 years now, actually, yeah. It's been a long time, yeah. But yeah, sentimental value, exactly.
Wearing the Fears by Studio Underdog Gimlet today. Picked it up at British Watchmakers Day in March. Absolutely love this watch. A lot of time for both brands. I think both guys that run those brands are amazing, really, really nice guys. And what I like is that the DNA of both brands really obvious in this watch. The Brunswick case, the undeniable Studio Underdog dial, just looks amazing. And the colour, absolutely love it. Wear it a lot, makes me smile every time.
How long were you in the queue for to get it?
Well, I was in the afternoon session. I managed to get in a little bit early, and yeah, managed to get really early doors. I was probably about 6 back in the queue. Really happy to get one. Makes me smile every time.
What do you usually wear it with?
What do I wear it with? To be honest, it goes with everything in my opinion. I love the colour. The Loon dial really pops. I don't pay much attention to what I'm wearing with it. The watch speaks for itself, so I'm good. Wearing white is fine, but yeah, big fan of this one.
Hi everyone, today the watch I take is this one. It's a Lish, which I got from my uncle as a present of when he come to university, come to London. And I start to get interested to the watch and all the stuff. And today I go to the show with my girlfriend and her family. So that's why I like the place. I can see all the designs and all the talented people, and allow the people take videos. And all we have the interest in the watches. That's why I'm here.
I'm wearing a Seiko Sub 035, and this I've got it for my 30th anniversary. So,
what makes you happy about it?
It's quite rare right now, and it's discontinued. So.
And how does it complement your collection?
It's a bit classy, and it's a bit unique. So it's not like your regular Seiko that you see every single day, like big one like Prospex or Alpine or anything. It's classy. It's called like a baby grand Seiko. So yeah.
What do you usually wear it with?
Anything. You can wear it with anything.
This is a Hamilton automatic Intramatic, it's called. This is a sort of a gold-plated edition. There's a silver edition. Why I like it is because it's actually quite simple, but a very, very classic-looking watch. And I really wanted a classic-looking watch like this in my collection. I have loads of other different things, all different styles, diving watches, sports watches, more, things that stand out. But this I really like as a dress watch, basically.
What does Hamilton mean as a brand?
Quite old established brand. I'm not sure of the year, but they're actually an American brand. They've been going since, I want to say, early 1900s, something like that, if I remember correctly. A bit different, basically, because I'm not sure everyone knows this brand so much, the Hamilton brand. Oh, okay, great. Yeah, and I don't know, I just really, really, really like it. I just really like the style of it.
For me, it's the spirit of America.
Yes.
that comes through. So I'm kind of like more driven by the idea of like do more, be more, dream bigger, that sort of thing.
Yeah.
That's what William Hamilton does for me.
Yeah. And of I think the American sort of brands or watch brands, this is, I think, probably one of the better known ones as well. Yeah.
I've got on a Tag Heuer Aqua Racer, and it is a birthday present from my boyfriend for my milestone birthday. We get it at a good price because we get it from Bristol Village. But I like the Tag Heuer brand. It's a mainstream, but it's a good solid brand. And Aqua Racer is a good model. And this one has got a little bit of bling on the outside. It's got a little bit of diamond, but it's not the full diamond. It's sort of like demure, but it's sort of quite sparkly as well. That's why I like it, and it's like a present for my milestone birthday. It's a good souvenir.
I've got the BR05 from Bell & Ross, the 36mm on the wrist, and it's just nice to see Bell & Ross come out with something a little bit more wearable, a little bit sleeker, slimmer. It's in the ice blue, absolutely love it, and I really like to watch some wonders.
Hi, I'm Tom from the In-House Movement. I'm an AD for Benzinger and Habring 2. I'm wearing a Habring 2 Irwin Pilot here. It makes me happy because it is just stunning. Down to the minutest of details, the number 4 just makes my heart sing. The number 9, the number 7, just beautiful. The dial is insane.
Is that an automatic one?
No, it's a manual. Manual,
but it's a deadbeat second.
Manual deadbeat seconds. Very low number made a year, probably 12 made a year. Available at the In-House Movement to order. I'm a farmer by trade. I enjoy farming, but I love horology more. And Habring has made me happy ever since I saw it, along with Benzinger, Jaeger Benzinger in here, and horology as a whole is a passion and has allowed me to meet so many beautiful people, travel the world, and meet like-minded friends.
My name is Jonathan Freer, and I am wearing the Brew Metric Chronograph watch. And this watch makes me happy because I designed it and I get to share it with people from around the world.
Why did you design it this way?
I designed it this way because I wanted it to be one part familiar and one part unique. So through that nostalgia, it can make people happy and comfortable in a way.
And what's the most unique thing about this watch?
The unique thing about this watch is that it can help you time your perfect shot of espresso.
What made me most happy today was just coming down to this hands-on horology show and being around all these watch vendors and seeing all these super cool watches and being around the watch community and the enthusiasts. It gives me energy. I feed off that energy, and I'm so happy to be here and just participate in all of this. So that's what's made me happy today.
And if you were wearing a watch and your wrist,
yeah, I am. My wrist is naked,
yeah.
And the reason I'm not wearing a watch at a watch event is because when I come to these watch events, I'm trying on so many watches, and I put my watch down to put on other watches, and then I walk away without it, and then I start panicking. So I stop wearing watches, and I just try on everything I see.
If you were wearing a watch, what would you be wearing?
Oh my gosh, probably my IWC Automatic Vintage from 1966. It's the watch I love, and other people love it, and that it brings me pleasure.
Happy is that I'm surrounded by watch people and watches. That's the only thing I want.
What's on the wrist today?
My own watch, the watch that I created together with Man Watches. This is prototype number 17, the Jump Hour, and we sold this a couple of months ago. And we sold a lot of them, and I'm really, really proud to show people the actual watch. The response has been amazing. It's not for sale anymore. Sale is closed, but the response has been amazing, and the support therefore unreal.
And where is Nico in 10 years' time?
Hopefully on this earth, I don't know, but that would be amazing. But still in this industry, let me tell you.
Thanks, brother.
Thank you.
Can I just say something?
Yeah.
Is it recording still?
Yeah.
This man is the most authentic guy I've met. I met him on a special night out, I Am Casa Dinner, which are legendary nights out. And you get exactly what you get with Nico. He's honest to a T. Some people may not like it, doesn't matter. He is who he is. And he's a very generous man as well. We don't don't need to talk about any reasons why, but I just want to make those points very clear.
Thank you so much, man. I appreciate that. Means a lot hearing that. Genuinely.